Okay, today's lesson is on long division with polynomials. So an example of a problem that we are going to go through is 3x cubed plus 17x squared plus 21x plus 1 divided by x plus 3. So just like when we were in elementary school, we're going to be doing long division, which is we're going to take the second thing and put it outside the division symbol, and we're going to put all of the other stuff inside the 3x cubed plus 17x squared plus 21x plus 1. Now our goal is to take the first term that we have here, and we need to get a number and variable that will multiply and give us 3x cubed. So in order to do that, we have to multiply, because there's a 1 in front of the x, we're going to have to multiply 1 by 3 to get the number 3. And then I only have 1x over here. I have 3 x's here, so I have to multiply by x squared. And after I figure out what it is, I have to take that term, 3x squared now, and I have to multiply by both 1x and the 3, and I'm going to put the two answers below the terms that we have here. So 3 times 1 is 3. The first term should always match. If you're doing the thing right, this term should match what we have starting with, because that's our goal. Then I take 3 times 3 is 9, and then I copy over the x squared. You will always subtract down, which means I'm going to change the signs to subtract down, and then I'm going to subtract, and that will always be the case. After you get the term that you put down below, you're going to subtract to get rid of it. These go away. 17 minus 9 is 8x squared, and then you bring down the next term in our problem that we were given, and we do it all over again. So now I need to multiply 1 by what to get it to 8? Well, I have to multiply by 8, and it's positive 8. And then I have 1x here, I need 2, so I'm missing an x. And then I do the same thing. I take 8x, and I multiply by 1x plus 3. Just like the last time when we do this, we're going to distribute. The first term should match if you're doing things correctly. 8 times 3 is 24, and then there's an x on the outside. And now I subtract, change signs, add down. I end up with negative 3x. I copy down the next term, and I keep copying down the next term until I'm out of terms. I do the same thing again. I have to multiply 1 times what to get to negative 3? Well, negative 3, and I already have an x, so I don't need any more x's. I multiply 3 times 1x minus, or plus 3, and I get negative 3x, and that's right, I'm multiplying by negative 3, and minus 9. I change the signs because I have to subtract, and then I add down, I get 10. Now, the 10 is our remainder, and how we show remainders with long division is the answer you get at the end goes over what you're dividing by. So you're going to put it over x plus 3, and that's our answer to this problem.